Welcome to Philip Carreon's Salon Workshop Series. Today our Luxe Grunge cuts live in purposeful dishevelment. This shag can work with each unique texture and look fantastic on the individual. Check out my step-by-step haircut on this beautiful rose gold shag. Section off a substantial triangular bang section and clip away. Carve out a 1-inch horizontal parting along the nape. Using the comb from underneath, freely cut the hair at a slight diagonal, keeping the section longer in the middle and shorter towards the shoulders. Line up the comb to determine the steepness of the angle. Elevate your comb slightly away from the body as you move up the head. This will create a shag-like perimeter. Cut deeper by positioning your comb back further. As you work your way up the head, join the side section with the back. Keep your elevation and diagonal line consistent. Connect front and back sections on the opposite side as well. Toggle back from side to side. Make sure your sections are elevated. Thick hair elevate more and point deeper. Thinner hair drop elevation slightly. Continue this process until you reach your last top section. Tilt the head back and elevate your horizontal section high. This process in this area is key. By keeping the head tilted back, high elevation, tension, and pointing in deeply, this will minimize the weight and pop the top layer. Continue the same process and cut deeply as you move into the side section. Toggle from side to side, maintaining tension. With the mini open and close of your shears, use the back end of the blades to slide through the ends to further shag out the top layer. Work around to the front, pinching sections and cutting to dissolve weight and shag the top layer. Back blade sliding creates points on the ends of the hair, a true shag characteristic. Let down the front 1-inch section of your bang. Slide your comb in facing up. As you lower the comb, roll the teeth towards you. Establish your length and freehand cut the fringe using the point cutting technique. Holding out away from the face will drop a longer, fringier perimeter. Cut your fringe back far enough into the side section to expose the eye and cheekbone area. Continue up the bang section. Elevate high to maintain length to the first underneath section. Extend the eye by cutting your fringe back far enough. By freely lining up your comb, you cut your fringe with zero tension. This allows for no surprise popping of the fringe. Like the top back section, pinch small bits of hair along the top layer of the fringe to further jag the bang. Barely open the shears to slide down, creating tiny bits of hair. This technique keeps a shaggy edge to the fringe while keeping the remainder of the bangs very heavy. Seal and condition the hair with Eufora Elixir 1 leave-in to treat and calm the ends. Eufora Behave is a perfect tool for an excellent set. No blow dryer or curling iron is needed here. Distribute well through the hair, getting the hair good and wet with Eufora Behave. Take the hair and splinter it through to emphasize your haircut. As you get to the sides where the hair is longer, move the product into the hair towards the roots and create the splinters all through your hair. That's all you have to do. Then just let it dry. Purposeful dishevelment on a flawless shag with foolproof styling. That's Eufora.